All right, Colorado Strong here with part one of this video. The gauge is not working now. It's worked in the part two and part three. This is absolute junk. And that pneumatic hose is 1/4 inch interior. It messes up your pump. So I was getting about 800 PSI with the 25-foot factory hose attached to the 100-foot 1/4 inch pneumatic hose and this Here baby wand, about 800 PSI. Nothing. This gauge is garbage. It really is. Thanks for watching. Colorado Strong. Watch part 2 and 3. All right, we're on the factory 25-foot hose with a Here baby wand. Let me show you the numbers here on this 3-part video. All right, let's go to the factory wand. Hold on. All right, part 3. We've got the factory 25-foot hose and the factory Sunjo wand. Let's take a look at the numbers here. So you're losing pressure with the pneumatic hose and that baby Here wand. And I'm running 65 PSI city water. All right. Have fun with a gauge. Thanks for watching. Colorado Strong.